Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by arranging your data so Excel can read it, labels in the top row and values below. Once done, select the contiguous range including headers. This tells Excel axis and series. Make sure there are no stray blank cells or text formatted numbers because charts reflect raw data types. If you see text numbers, convert them to numeric to avoid misplotted points. This step prevents surprises later and speeds the charting process. Next, insert a chart. Choose column, line, pie, or another type that fits your story. The chosen type determines how trends and comparisons appear. Once inserted, use chart design to switch row/column, edit series, and reposition the legend so viewers read naturally. Make sure to format axes and add meaningful grid lines or data labels to clarify scales. This improves interpretation. If you need different visuals, switch chart types and adjust series order to emphasize the right comparisons. Finally, refine appearance. Pick accessible colors, readable fonts, and set axis scales to avoid misleading compression. You can copy the chart as an image or export the worksheet to PDF or PowerPoint for sharing. Make sure titles and axis labels explain units and time frame. If numbers look off, check hidden rows, active filters, or source formulas. These are the usual culprits. If problems persist, recreate the chart from a cleaned copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.